5 RMB cost to assemble a lithium battery scavenged from a junkyard. At the junkyard, I got a set of lithium batteries with a voltage of around 4 volts. There are a total of 15 cells in these batteries, so if I need to make a 12-volt battery pack, these 15 cells can be divided into 3 parts and connected in series. However, I am not sure of the capacity of these 5 parallel connected cells because they were previously used in children's cars. Each battery should be around 2,500 to 3,000 mAh. Then this. Roughly estimating, arranging them in series of 3 and parallel of 5 should at least make a 12-volt 12-amp battery pack. First, remove the nickel strips from the original battery. It just so happens that there's a rack like this at home. These are protection boards saved from before, and this one is exactly a 3 series. Measure its voltage. 11.9 volts. Let's just test it with my electric drill. The drill is 16 volts. 12 volts can also drive it. There is a port, and both charging and output can be used.